welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. It's your girl Natalie, and today I'm going to be doing a bed review. Oh my god, y'all, I love my bed. Like, I be looking in my mirror's over there. I be looking like, you are such a queen, and that is I'm so corny. This bed is going for $519.99 at the moment, but I got it on sale. I'm gonna let you guys know how much I got it on sale for right now. $19.99 at the moment, and I paid $475.83. So I ordered the bed on, let's see, I ordered the bed on August 27, 2019. And I got it I got it pretty fast. I live in New York. I'm pretty sure it don't come from New York. I know it don't come from New York. There's no Wayfair in New York. But I got it pretty fast. I got say I ordered it on a Monday, I got it on Thursday. If not Thursday, before Thursday. Yeah. So, like you may be doing, I've read a lot of reviews before I ordered this bed. I watched a lot of videos. Let me fix my throat. I watched a lot of videos, and I seen people moving, when they first moved, they set up their bed and all that. Me, ladies, I'm all for Miss Independent and all, but to be honest, I wanted to set up my bed by myself, but I got help from my uncle because it was a lot. It came in a box, and I thought it wasn't enough. I was it looked like they missing a piece of my bed, but it wasn't nothing missing. Everything came. The people was good, good customer service and all that. And I want to show you guys this, what I don't like. This, you see the little the foot of the bed. I don't really like it because it scratches the floor. So if you have wood floor, keep that in mind. It scratches the floor, but look at it. It is velvet. See, it's really nice though. It's really beautiful. I love it. I don't regret getting it. I just regret not having carpet or something, because when I want to move it, look what it did to my floor. I was trying to move it. My floor, can you see that? Yes, you can. I don't even have to go close. You see that long ass scratch? But yeah, it's a great bed, guys. Honestly, I'm still contemplating if I should put my what's that thing called? What is it? The thing that goes, when I'm editing it, I'm gonna remember the name. That makes it higher, but I feel like I need a good comforter to cover it. Damn, what's the thing called that you put under the mattress? Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Oh, a box board. I was contemplating if I should do my box board, but yeah, there's a little setup. My room is kind of messy right now, but ignore it. But yeah, guys, I feel like y'all should order it. It's a good bed. As you can see, it looks pretty low, but it's not that low. It's not touching the floor. I have a queen size bed. This is queen. I told you how much I paid for it. So yeah, I hope this video has helped to anybody that wants to order this bed. I say yes, girl, go for it. I feel like it's a great bed. It compliments me. I love my bed. Everybody comes here, compliments me oh, your room is so beautiful. As you can see, my curtains is gray. I'm with the whole gray theme. My throw is gray. My blanket is gray. My little furry pillow is gray. I'm with the gray theme. I want to paint my room the glittery gray, but I don't know yet. Comment down below if y'all think I should do that. I'm scared. Why is that doing that? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see down below in the comments. I'll do a review on anything for you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe during this whole coronavirus pandemic. Stay blessed. Peace.